Hi everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about Parliament passes bill to grant citizenship to lost Canadians. Parliament has officially passed Bill C-3, a major change that will restore and expand citizenship rights for thousands of people known as lost Canadians. As of November 19, 2025, Bill C-3 passed its third reading in the Senate and is now waiting for royal assent. Once signed, it becomes law. This bill changes the Citizenship Act and fixes the long-standing problem caused by the first-generation limit. Now, let's talk about what is citizenship by descent. Citizenship by descent means if a child is born outside Canada, they can still be a Canadian if at least one parent is Canadian. But since 2009, there has been a rule stopping this. Children of Canadians who were themselves born abroad could not pass citizenship to their own kids. This rule is called the first-generation limit, or FGL. Many children of Canadians lost their right to citizenship because of this. Bill C-3 restores citizenship to all lost Canadians affected by the first-generation limit. Canadian citizens born abroad will once again be able to pass on citizenship to their children, as long as they meet a new requirement called the substantial connection test. To pass citizenship to a child born or adopted outside Canada, the Canadian parent must show they spent at least 1,095 days, that's 3 years, physically in Canada before the child's birth or adoption. Originally, some wanted these 1,095 days to be within 5 years, but the Senate rejected this stricter version. In 2023, a court ruled that the first-generation limit was unconstitutional. Since then, the government has been under pressure to fix it, with extended deadlines, now pushed to January 20, 2026. Bill C-3 is the government's response to that ruling. Once the bill receives royal assent, it becomes law on the date chosen by the Governor-General. So stay tuned, because implementation could happen very soon. This is a huge win for thousands of families. If you want more updates on Canadian immigration, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.